Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious beetroot smoothie using an easy method. This vibrant drink is not only tasty, but also packed with nutrients. To begin, gather your fresh beetroot, one ripe banana, and a liquid base such as water or almond milk. Make sure your blender is clean and ready for action. Let's get started on this simple and healthy recipe. Now, let's get blending. Carefully add your prepared beetroot pieces, the banana, and approximately 1 cup of your chosen liquid into the blender. For an extra kick, consider adding a small piece of fresh ginger, a handful of berries, or a spoonful of honey. Secure the lid and blend on high speed for about 60 seconds, or until the smoothie is perfectly smooth and creamy. Once blended, check the consistency. If it's too thick for your liking, simply add a little more liquid, about 1/4 of a cup at a time, and blend again until it reaches your desired texture. Give it a taste test. You can always add more fruit or a natural sweetener if needed. Finally, pour your vibrant, freshly made beetroot smoothie into a glass and savor every sip right away. Beetroot smoothies are a fantastic way to boost your daily nutrient intake, offering a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and powerful antioxidants. For the most delicious and beneficial results, always opt for fresh, ripe ingredients. Don't be afraid to get creative. Try adding different fruits like apples or oranges, or spices such as cinnamon, to find your perfect blend. Enjoy your healthy and refreshing creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.